Look at this dog. She has got impeccable balance. You go. Get in there. All right. All right. So we're planning on building a full exhaust for this eventually. Josh's after pipe just rusted off. So I cut it off so that, where'd you put? Right here? So this rusted off out of the muffler, and it's been hanging there for a good portion of a year. So what we're going to do, this will become a whole video eventually, but for now, we're going to cut the muffler off and put this 2-to-1 right there. And then that's what I'm going to build out of. I'm going to build him a 2.5 to 3 inch exhaust the whole way out. But he wants to do it before and after. So we also got it out of limp mode. So go ahead, give it a fire. All right. Now we'll do an after. After I cut the muffler off and we weld in the 2 to. So these are the same exact size with the flare outs. So I'm gonna cut those off and do it, but Josh is gonna give us a start. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. You just blew something out of the exhaust. All right, that's good. You just blew something out of the exhaust. Oh, there you go. You blew one of these things out. All right. Now we're gonna cut it back, put that on there. It's up to him if he wants to throw a muffler on, but this thing's heavy and all rotted out. He's gonna gain like 10 horsepower just getting rid of this thing.
Where do you want it?
Let's throw it in the scrap bin. All right, so I got the 2 big chunks pulled off. We cleaned up everything around the flap disc. This one was like perfect size. This one's a little smaller over here, but that is what she looks like right now. 2-to-1. I'm gonna have him fire it up, and then I'm gonna clean up around it, and we're gonna go through some tack welds around it, and that'll hold both of these exhausts together. There's still hangers, and then I will make him one that detaches from this piece down the road. But I should be able to get this whole thing in here. There's plenty of room. Give it a start. All right, so Josh is hooking up his batteries. We're gonna pull this thing out. Like I said, we're gonna get the exhaust kit on order, but that there is his welds. It looks like a typical muffler shop did it. So he's gonna fire it up, back it out of here. Yeah, and then we'll get a exhaust built for it. Nice salt.
This thing inspection ready.
This is one thing, how I treat my customer shit. You can tell this is how Josh's truck is. This is a customer's, no salt. That's a customer's, no salt. This one might have got a little bit from hauling it, but I'm gonna get that thing cleaned off. But that's so loud. You can get a muffler if you want too, but I think a 3-inch all the way back would be great. He also likes to let his shit hang, but it's not that loud. He's gonna fucking love that thing. I gotta get this thing pulled in because we gotta do the fucking hood latch. So, this guy right here. Oh, you're coming. All right. It's nothing like my exhaust, but sounds good. Do it again. Do it again. No. What? No, rev it. You gotta put it in neutral.
The nanny's not letting me.
Oh.
Cutting the power away.
We gotta order you the whole exhaust. Wow. 100% going to be ordering him the exhaust because, I mean, it's definitely too loud underside, but he was already here. I had to fix a mistake that I made. I accidentally put 2 wires wrong, so he's been in limp mode for a while. So I fixed it. I hear him. Sounds like a V8.